You can also easily capture out audio inside of Shotcut. So to do that, you need to follow out a process. And to do that, you need to click on Open Other. And over here, you will be able to see Audio Video Device as an option. So you can keep the video input device onto the option of none. And in audio input, you can select out the audio input device that you want to record the audio from and press OK. So once you do that, what happens is that the audio monitoring starts. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start recording. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto export button on the top. And over here, you can go around onto the audio section and select out an audio format that you wish to capture the audio in. So I'm just going to select MP3 right here, and then I'm going to click on capture file. And what happens is that it opens up the Explorer window right here. So I'm just going to leave the format as it is and press the save button. And now the audio starts being captured out. So now my audio is being captured, and if you want to stop the audio capturing, press the stop capture button. And then the audio capture stops out. So now, So now my audio is being captured, and if you want to, that's the audio being recorded, as you can see. So you can bring out that audio file right here onto the audio layer, and you have your audio file right here. It's being captured out. So now my audio is being captured, and you can hear out the audio just like that. So that is how you can capture out audio inside of Shotcut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.